Welcome to my first custom keyboard build, and today I will be showing y'all my first custom build. Just that's pretty much it. I'm very excited to do this because my first three keyboards were just awful. My first keyboard was an RK68 that I got on Amazon for around $50. It has a Royal Clutch tactile ground switches, and it's a start to a custom build, I guess, but not really, because I got a Razer keyboard next. The Razer keyboard that I got was a Black Widow Mini V3 with their linear switches, and I think they were around like 150, 160. A regrettable purchase, but their RGB was nice. The switches got a little scratchy after a while of using it to game. Obviously, it's not hot swap, so I couldn't lube the switches. I wasn't gonna buy super lube and just spray it in there because it's not recommended. Then my third keyboard, which I was using it before I got my custom keyboard, which was the Asus ROG Falcon NX that I got for $60 used on Amazon as well. And now the custom keyboard. It came under $150, which is actually $123.98, I think, excluding the taxes and shipping. Anyways, let's get to the video. To start everything off, the keyboard. This keyboard is the Akko 5075S via bare bones kit. It has an ABS plastic frame with a polycarbonate plate. It has gasket mounts and plate mounted stabilizers. It also has south facing RGB with side LEDs, and most importantly, a knob. So the keyboard DIY kit costs around $59.99 on the website USD. It comes into two colors, which is Dark Night and Moonlight White. And I forgot to mention that they're hot swappable. So the switches that I got for this build are the Akko V3 cream yellow switches. I got them on Amazon for $13.99, but on Akko's website they're $8.99. But for the pro switches, you can get them for $13.99 on Amazon. Do you want to see some real magic? Yeah. that's my take on doing magic stuff with keyboards. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like. And you may be wondering why I don't have any switches in those spots. It's because I have these switches. These are the matcha green switches, Monsgi x Akko. They had this deal on their website where every $50 purchase you get 10 free switches from what they offer, and I got the matcha greens. They are linear switches. I guess they have a heavier feeling compared to the switches that I have, the yellow creams. And I'm just putting them in because I want to. That's literally all I got. It's just because I want to. And they're like, the keys are off to the side and I rarely use those keys, so it's nice. It's not nice. I don't think it's nice. It's just cool to have a different switch on your keyboard. Okay, in my opinion, it's cool. It's cool, right, guys. Sorry about that, but I will be giving y'all a sound test in 3, 2, 1. To inform y'all again, these are the Akko CS Matcha Green switches. They are currently $16.99 on their website, and they are also sold out right now. I hope y'all like that small montage of me put on my keycaps. If you can't tell by my shirt, it's the next day, and I spent nearly all last night and all this afternoon today editing that video. I also want to talk about the keycaps that I got. They're supposedly cloned GMK Red Samurai keycaps. I wouldn't really say they're cloned because they don't really have the gold accent keycaps like the escape button and the enter space, whatever. They don't have any of that in the box. But that's fine. I actually was looking forward to that. I got those keycaps on Amazon for $32.99 if I can remember. I'll put up a correction if I get it wrong. The keycaps are double shot ABS, and that's pretty much all that I know. Hey guys, while editing the video, I forgot to mention that I did lube the switches. Here's a small clip of me lubing the switches. I'm super fast because I am fast. I also want to say that before lubing the switches, they were pre-lubed, but they weren't very good. They were still very pingy and scratchy, but not as scratchy as unlubed switches, obviously. Now I'm wrapping up this video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my first custom build. I just want to say that I will not be uploading frequently because making custom builds is actually very expensive, even if they're budget keyboards. If y'all want to support, y'all can subscribe, like, y'all can comment down below any suggestions of what I should do and what I can do. I'm using a software called CapCut, and if y'all have any suggestions with CapCut, then I would like that as well. I also want to apologize for all the grainy footages. It's because of my camera, which is the Logitech Brio. If you saw any of the words that popped up in the corners. I just want to thank you guys again for watching this video. If you're still watching, thank you, and this will be the end of the video. Bye guys, see you next time. You thought I forgot the sound test? Well, I didn't. So here you go.